Welcome to BBD School of Architecture and Planning. The School of Architecture and Planning at BBD University is an institute which is known for its blended learning, for a way of life where theoretical information is blended with the professional expertise. This is powered through numerous MOUs, state-of-the-art infrastructure that we have, labs, high-tech computer softwares, licensed versions with state-of-the-art softwares demanded by the industry, giving the highest placement to the architectural, interior design and planning students. Part in this, School of Planning and Architecture is along with the student during your studies as well as after that, because we do all work together to have you placed with the best of the best in the industry. And this is simultaneously complementarily supported through the industry interlinkage and the academia curriculum, which is supported completely by the industry itself, mentored to each and every student through the visiting faculties who are none other than experts from the field and the profession. Welcome you all to School of Architecture and Planning, the way, the place and the scope of life ahead to reach to your dreams and realize them. Explore what potential you have in you, and we are there with you. Thank you.